Hello guys, I am Leni Nur Septiana. I am from the Development Economy Study Program at the Muhammadiyah University of Surakarta. ID study number B300220284. In this video, I will explain about learning. A learning is an abbreviation of electronic learning, which is a learning process that uses electronic media, especially the internet, as a learning system. A learning is the basis and consequences of the development of information and communication technology. A learning is an electronic-based learning process. One of the media used is a computer network, thus allowing it to be developed in web form. Presentation of web-based learning can be more interactive. Information about lectures can also be real-time, like quiz with communication, even talk not directly face-to-face. Lecture discussion forum can be done online and in real time, where the learning system has no access restriction. This is what allows lectures to be carried out more time, whenever and wherever, as long as there is an internet network. Students can access this system. The application of a learning media has a function to smooth the way towards achieving the learning objective that have been set. This is based on the belief that the learning process using the help of the media will enhance student learning outcomes and product a better learning process within a long period of time. In addition, the use of the internet is expected to provide support for the implementation of an interactive communication process between teachers and students. Learning conditions that need to be supported by the use of the internet are related to the learning strategy that will be developed. Namely, the communication process is carried out to invite students to do a segment easily and assist students in obtaining the required knowledge. A learning is an internet application that connects educator and student online. A learning was created to overcome the limitation between educators and students, especially in terms of time, space, condition, and circumstance. Through a learning, educator and student do not have to be in one dimension of space and time. The education process can run at any time by ignoring these two things. Learning is essentially a form of conventional learning that outlined in digital format and present through information technology. A learning needs to be created as if students are learning conventionally, only that they are transferred in a digital system via the internet. The most prominent advantage of a learning are its efficiency in the use of time and space. Information technology-based education tends to no longer depend on space and time. There are no significant obstacles to carrying out teaching and learning activities across regions and even across country. A learning media is a learning resource that has a broad reach and is not limited by space or time. The advantage of using a learning include save time teaching and learning process, reduce travel costs, save on education costs, infrastructure, equipment, and books. Spending a wider geographical area. Train students to be more independent in gaining knowledge. Learning with a learning will also increase student activity and creativity because it is easier for them to explore to find teaching materials. So it is hoped that student learning achievement will be more optimal and learning competency standard will be achieved. A learning has the following characteristics: interactivity, independence, accessibility, and engagement. The four characteristics above are what distinguishes learning from conventional learning activities. In a learning, student comprehension of learning material is no longer dependent on the instructor or teacher, because students construct their own knowledge through teaching materials delivered through the website interface. Also, in learning, sources of knowledge are scattered anywhere and easily accessible by everyone. This is because the nature of internet media is global and can be accessed by anyone who is connected to it. Finally, in a learning, teachers or educational institution function is a source of knowledge. What needs to be considered when implementing a learning in education is that failure to implement a learning is generally not due to problems with tools, software, or infrastructure, but mostly because of the human factor, because of the severity of change in work culture and the lack of willingness to share knowledge. In order to obtain the desired result in implementing a learning in education, the following methods must be considered. A learning must be designed to be able to provide formal and informal added value to users. Apply blended learning first during the socialization period to train users in a lifestyle. The learning project in a institutional initiative and not just an higher initiative make the user the main role, support the user self actualization, not just an object.